Liris Chica, aktor inaming pinag-aaralan ng i-let go si aktres sa isang pribadong interview pero isiniwalat ni Chismosa. Ito nga, ang sabi niya, grabe, ang lala niya pala. Alam mo yon, suddenly I feel the need to completely let go of her. Which is weird because not so long ago, all I wanted was to love her, to fight for her, to hold on no matter what. Dati, handa akong ipaglaban siya. Kahit ako na lang yung natitira. Kahit ako na lang yung lumalaban. But something changed. Maybe it was the silence. Maybe it was the distance. Or maybe it was the realization that love shouldn't feel like I'm the only one trying. At hindi rin galit to. Hindi na rin sama ng loob. Just quiet acceptance na hindi lahat ng gusto mo ay para sa'yo. Na hindi lahat ng minahal mo ay mananatili. And it hurts, of course it does. Pero this time, I'm not holding on to the pain. I'm letting go of her. Not because I stopped loving her, but because I'm finally choosing to love myself too.